What's up, GORUCK Tribe? My name's Cadre DS, and this month's training is going to be the MOG Mile. What you've got is 4 rounds for time of 19 sandbag or ruck ground to overhead, looking like a clean and jerk, 19 front squats, 19 push-ups per arm, and then a 400-meter sandbag or ruck carry. You're going to do all of this for time with a few caveats. We'll show some different demonstrations of each movement, and then we're going to get after it. The first movement is going to be 19 clean and jerks. So we're going to start with the sandbag on the ground. It's going to go to the shoulders and then up overhead. All the way down to the ground and then pressing the sandbag overhead. You can use a little bit of hip drive if you need to. One more rep for a total of 19 each round. Then you're going to move into the front squat. So I recommend keeping that bag in the front rack position. We go all the way down on the squat, hip crease below the knee, and then stand all the way up for 19 reps. After you hit your 19th rep, sandbag goes down to the ground, and you're gonna go through the push-ups, okay? A couple different variations on this. You can do 19 on one side with your hand on the sandbag, and then switch sides to the other 19, knocking them out. Or another variation is we can alternate sides each time, okay? So we do one on one side, hands switch to the other side, another push up, and then again. Again, you do 19 both sides regardless, okay? After you complete 19 push-ups on both sides, ruck up, throw the sandbag up on the back, and take off for your 400-meter carry. I definitely recommend setting out a 200-meter out and 200-meter back distance, or you can do the same with 100 and 100. Or if you need to keep track and you have a ton of space, you could just track a quarter mile on your watch. That's your distance for each iteration, okay? So you'll go 400 out and then get back to work on that next round. A couple caveats here that we have to keep in mind. We have to keep one hand on our Ranger buddy at the entire time, okay? So one hand stays on the ruck or the sandbag the entire workout. If for whatever reason you come back and you get like 10 reps in and then you stand up and you have to breathe, so stand up, shake it out, oh, that's bad, right? You lost control of your Ranger buddy and you have to start back at 0, okay? So maintain one hand on your ruck or your sandbag at all times. We're gonna demonstrate now with this ruck for all the same movements, okay? So the ground to overhead, we're taking our ruck, bringing it to the shoulders, press it up overhead. Just a different variation, the clean and jerk. Same movement patterns here. We go all the way down and all the way up. Then we go to the front squat, or the goblet squat will be another great variation, okay? Holding the front rack position, all the way down, all the way up, without setting it down, okay? If you do have to set the sandbag or ruck down throughout to rest, keep one hand on. Don't do that, or you go back to 0, okay? Finally, with the push-up, with the sandbag hand on the ruck, we go all the way down and all the way up. Same variation on that. And then again, for the ruck out, go ahead and throw that ruck up on your shoulders and take off, right? Guys, train with some emotion here. Mogadishu Mile. Have fun. And as always, keep training.